Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a ton of dice rolls and money in Monopoly Go, so just keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let me just go ahead and go over to the shop just so you guys can see what's going on. So as you can see, my resources are going up like crazy and I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton. So just keep watching. This is super crazy and I can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yeah, this is awesome. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and max out here as you guys can see. Alright, 25 million, let's go on with it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website, monorolls.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's monorolls.com. So once you're on the website, guys, just go ahead and choose how much money and dice rolls you want to add to your account. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose how much money and dice rolls I want to add. And then just go ahead and select it. And now we're just going to go ahead and fill in our username and select our platform. So let me just go ahead and type in my username right here. So let me just go ahead and do that. And now I'm going to go ahead and select my platform and then go ahead and press proceed. And it's just going to confirm that you want to generate that onto your account. So just press generate and we're going to wait for it to load. So this should be pretty fast. So I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and connect here, as you guys can see. Now it's doing verification. So I was verified. But we'll just wait for this to load. Suspicious activity detected, so I have to verify. So basically, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And you might see some different offers. It depends on your location. For the USA, you might see offers like Cash App, Shein, Walmart. So just follow the instructions below each app. They got a video if you don't know what you're doing. But I'm just going to go ahead and download this Bible app as my first app. So it's going to take me to the App Store. And I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So let's just give it a minute for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to let it load. All right. So anyways, guys, while this is downloading, I'm just going to go ahead and go back onto the list of apps and download another app. You want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So the first one started downloading, so now I'm going to go ahead and go back and get another one. All right. So for my next app, I'm going to go ahead and do the Coin Master. So it's going to take me to the App Store again. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's see if they're done yet. So the Bible app's still downloading, the Coin Master's downloading. So we'll just give it a second for this to go ahead and finish here, as you guys can see. All right. So we'll just wait for it to load. All right. So the Bible app downloads. So I'm going to open it up. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever. You don't have to do anything too crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right. So I'm pretty much done with this app. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other app, which is the Coin Master. So let me just go ahead and do that one right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the Coin Master. And this one's a game. So with the games, you just want to go ahead and run it. Just do some basic interactions. You should be all set. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up with this. All right. Got to build the village. Cool. All right. So yeah, this is super crazy. I'm just going to name my guy. All right. Pretty cool. Spin it. Alright, so let's go ahead and check our game and see if we're rich. I think it worked, but let's find out. So I'm going to open it up, and what's going on? Oh my gosh, you're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead, try this out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. It's crazy. I can't believe it. So if this tutorial worked for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Just get the word out about this method. It's super awesome, and I'm really happy about it because I'm not interested in spending money. So this is a lovely day to try this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out. See you later. Peace out.